Hey, crafty friends. So, we're coming at you today with a Happy Mail unboxing. Let's see what we got. But first, let's say hello to Small Lady, who is, as you know, over there. Let's see who this came from. This came from Lori. Ooh, let's see what we got.
I really like how it's pink.
I haven't seen this yet, but I did cut open the package so it'd be easier to open on video. Paper pumpkin. Hold that, small lady. Paper pumpkin by Stampin' Up. And I need scissors.
Once again.
Maybe I can get in here with my nails. Okay, maybe not. They're over there, small lady. So in the meantime,
What is it?
you got it.
I'm so blind.
And so we're gonna have to cut into this here.
Be careful. We do not want to break anything inside.
I'm cutting the corners. I'm more worried about cutting myself. The way I'm holding these scissors. Uh-oh, see? My hand slipped. Almost got the box instead. Okay, now let's see what's inside. Here we go, opening up.
Oh, there's one.
And
there
it's
is
something
one thing
wrapped.
It's actually one thing.
Let's take this out of here. Pull that small lady. And let's unwrap. Let's see what we got. It's nice and protected. Oh, look at it. It's beautiful. I love it. Look, everyone.
Okay,
My friend Lori sent me one of these. So you'll be seeing a lot more of this when I'm doing my videos.
Yes, sir.
If you would like one made for your channel, I'll send her link in the description box so that you can order yourself one.
Yeah.
So, what do you think?
It basically has has your has your
YouTube
name.
name on it.
Yeah.
And it's my favorite color, guys. It's purple.
Yes, sir.
I love it so much. So, be prepared to see plenty of this.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Lori. I love it so much. Oh my God.
Me too.
And small lady, you heard her. She loves it too. Thank you. And that includes our unboxing. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.